Ever wondered how a diesel engine stops instantly when you turn off the key? The answer is a small but critical component, the shutoff solenoid. In this video, we'll break down how a shutoff solenoid works, how it controls fuel flow inside the diesel fuel injection pump, and why it's essential for engine operation. A shutoff solenoid is an electrically controlled valve mounted on the diesel injection pump. Its main job is simple: allow fuel to flow when the engine is on, ensuring the injection system receives the fuel needed for smooth operation. When the engine is turned off, the solenoid immediately cuts off the fuel supply, stopping the injection process and bringing the engine to a complete stop. Let's look at how it actually works. Inside the solenoid, there are three main parts: a coil, electromagnet, a plunger, movable metal rod, and a spring. When you turn the ignition key on, electrical current flows into the solenoid coil, creating a magnetic field. This magnetic force pulls the plunger inward, which opens the internal fuel passage. Now, when you turn the key off, electrical power to the solenoid is cut, causing the magnetic field to disappear. The return spring then pushes the plunger back to its original position, closing the internal fuel passage. If the shutoff solenoid fails, several noticeable symptoms can occur. The engine may fail to start, or it might start and then suddenly stop during operation. So the shutoff solenoid acts like a gatekeeper for fuel inside the diesel injection pump. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple automotive explanations.